Welcome to Evolved Floors, where we explore the world of engineered timber flooring. Let's dive into what makes engineered timber a standout choice for your home or business. Engineered timber is a marvel of modern flooring technology. Unlike solid timber, which can be problematic in humid climates like the Gold Coast, engineered timber is designed to withstand moisture and cupping. This is achieved through a sophisticated multi-layer construction. At the heart of engineered timber is a solid top layer, which can range from 2 mm to 6 mm thick. Beneath this lies a multi-layer core, often made from plantation timber or multi-layer ply. This construction not only enhances durability, but also makes it perfectly suited for a unique climate. Now, let's explore the different types of engineered timber. First, we have micro-engineered timber. This sustainable option uses a thin veneer of timber, such as blackbutt or oak, adhered to a multi-layer core. It's an excellent choice for commercial environments, offering a unique look with each board. Next, we have the standard engineered timber, with thicknesses ranging from 12 mm to 16 mm. These feature a 2 mm to 3 mm hardwood top layer, providing a robust surface that can be sanded and refinished. For those seeking even more durability, the thicker options, like the 21 mm boards, offer up to 6 mm top layer. This allows for more sanding over the floor's lifespan, though many may never need to resurface their floors. Whether you choose a 12 mm or a 21 mm board, each will perform beautifully on your floor. The main difference lies in the number of times you can sand and refinish them. Engineered timber offers versatility, beauty, and resilience, making it a perfect choice for any space. Visit our showroom at Unit 4, 6-8 Enterprise Street to explore our range and find the perfect flooring solution for you.